Hello, it's Tuesday the 4th. I'm FX Plur and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The headlines today are that Parliament demand the legal basis for the backstop, the dollar awaits the employment report, and weak Eurozone data confirms the woes. So the Attorney General, the minister who provides the legal opinion for government actions, spoke in Parliament yesterday. He labelled the Brexit backstop as a calculated risk. He agreed that the UK could be permanently locked into the deal, but says the risks were manageable. MPs from both sides of the House want to see the legal basis, but Theresa May says that publishing it is not in the public interest. The debate in Parliament will continue ahead of the vote next week, and sterling euro fell to a 1-month low yesterday, breaching the 112 level overnight, reflecting a wider air of acceptance ahead of the vote. The dollar index fell as the market saw the trade war ceasefire as a positive for the global economy and higher risk assets. We saw 96.70 yesterday and it continued lower overnight as Asian stocks continue to rally. But the main event this week is Non-Farm Friday. There's a little concern that the headline non-farm payroll figure will be less than the market expectation of 200,000 new jobs created, but wage inflation is expected to stay over 3%, and that will be good for the Fed. The FOMC meets on December the 19th, where it is still largely expected they will hike rates to 2.5%, but the main volatility risk there comes from Powell. If he indicates that that's the last rate hike before maybe Q2 2019, we may see a little dollar correction ahead of Christmas. The Eurozone manufacturing data confirmed that the sector is crawling along between expansion and contraction. We had a reading of 51.8 for November, which was slightly higher than October, but certainly nothing to get excited about. And apparently the weekend riots in Paris were over fuel taxes. But regardless of why the French are revolting, President Macron is facing erosion of a decisive majority he had 18 months ago. And these riots raise concerns of a lurch to the right in support of Marine Le Pen, who beat him in the elections in May 2017. Euro dollar ended a volatile day yesterday around 113.45 and it's rallied a little higher overnight up to 113.90. Have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.